welcome to the second JS Lego MOCs video, and today we'll be showing you this custom Lego freight train that we built. I will now be handing it over to S to be continuing the speech.
This is a custom train set built from the 60051 passenger set. It holds 7 passengers plus cargo.
So, the receiver, just going to bring it around here so you can see it. It is a bit derailed, so here is a train. The receiver and everything is inside. Don't know if you've got really good light in there, but you might be able to see it. And so that's it for the engine. It's the average 6 studs wide, though it is pretty boxy, which makes it not the fastest or anything. It's also pretty heavy. It's heavier than the original building from the set. So, and then here is the first passenger car. It's an open air car because it's only made for going on short little trips. I don't know why there's passengers on a freight train, but I guess it would be nice to go for a little ride. And here you've still got the pneumatics, or however you say that, and electrics there. Don't know if you can focus on that, but yeah. So we've also got 2 passengers in here, 7 seats, and that's it for that cart. And here's a cargo cart. It's just a bunch of 1x1 red bricks on there to keep your cargo in. And you'll soon see that in the background, that trailer that's going over the track there, it fits quite well in the cargo hold area. So we're gonna put that all back together and go for a rip, and then add a bit of music to make it a bit more immersive. So thank you for listening to us blab about a custom 60051 Lego MOC train. Thank you. Thank you for watching.